What's going on, guys? It's your boy gdwarrior, and today I'm gonna show you how to properly check your oil level. What's going on, guys? It's your boy gdwarrior, and today I'm gonna show you how to properly check your oil status, your oil level on the Yamaha Road Star Warrior. The same thing counts for the Yamaha Road Star, the regular XV 1700. So there is a few videos out there, and they get it wrong, you know. And I'm gonna show you how to do it the right way. First, what we want to do is we're gonna obviously go for a little joyride, you know, 10 to 15 minutes to heat up the engine, get all that shit that is inside, you know, going, so we can follow it up with a oil change. After that, once my AMSOIL gets in, can't wait. So let's take this beast for a ride. Let's get out of here. Come on, you're gonna go or what? Gotta hurry. I see there's some shady ass clouds coming. Alright. So it has been fucking raining almost every fucking day. And you guys saw that I was posting a bunch of like lab results and shit like that for AMSOIL. And I always thought Mobil 1 would be the best oil, but AMSOIL did a lot of tests. I don't know if you guys saw the heat torture test on the Harley Davidson. That was pretty impressive. I am waiting for my AMSOIL oil to get in, so I can finally do a how to change your oil on a Yamaha Road Star Warrior video. You know, nice how to. It always helps people, especially the new kids on the block. A lot of people don't even know how to check their oil level, so that's what we're gonna do now. And we are going to, like I said, first for a joyride, get all this fucking gunk going and heat up. Come on, man, you can go. Jesus Christ. And then we will come back. We have to make sure that the bike is in a leveled position, so it can be on the kickstand or anything like that. I got my bike stand, so it will keep the bike nice and straight and leveled. Then you have to let it idle for 30 seconds. Okay, you cannot rev it or anything like that. So let it idle for 30 seconds, then turn it off with the key, and then check your oil level. It can be followed up with an oil change. Alright, guys, now we're gonna let it idle for 30 seconds, and then we will check the oil level on that bike. 1, 22, 23, 24, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Alright, now you're gonna open this bitch. Okay, take a rag. Now we're gonna check what the oil level is on the bike. First of all, you're gonna wipe it down. Okay, and then you're gonna put it back in. You're not gonna screw it in, you're just gonna leave it like that, and then you're gonna pull it out and check. See, I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but I have too little oil in there. It should be like, you know, almost to half of it, in that range, you know. But this is definitely too little. Yep. So yep, this is it. This is how you check your oil level on the Yamaha Road Star or the Yamaha Road Star Warrior. If you have anything to add to this, please comment below. And like I said, if this was of any value to you, hit the like and subscribe button. And I'm going to follow up this video with a how to change your oil on the Yamaha Road Star Warrior. Peace out, it's your boy GD.